Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the different scales of measurement used in research and data analysis. Understanding the scales of measurement is crucial for accurately interpreting and analyzing data. So, let's dive right in. To begin, let's discuss the four commonly used scales of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Each scale has its own characteristics and level of measurement, providing valuable insights into the data collected. Starting with the nominal scale, it represents categories or labels that have no numerical differences between them. Examples of nominal variables include gender, marital status, zip code, and employment status. These variables help classify data into distinct categories without any inherent order or hierarchy. Moving on to the ordinal scale, it incorporates categories that have an inherent order or ranking, but the differences between the categories are not necessarily equal. Examples of ordinal variables include the degree held, letter grades in a class, ranks, and preference. While we can establish a relative order, the magnitude of differences between categories may not be uniform. Next, we have the interval scale, which introduces numerical calculations and equal intervals between measurements. Variables measured on an interval scale allow for meaningful comparisons of differences. Examples of interval variables include IQ scores and current temperature. We can measure the numerical distance between each value, but the scale lacks a true 0 point. Finally, we have the ratio scale, which is the most advanced and comprehensive scale of measurement. Ratio scales possess all the properties of the interval scale, but with the presence of a true 0 point. Variables on a ratio scale can be measured, compared, and subjected to mathematical operations. Examples of ratio variables include sales figures, cost, height, weight, and any variable where a true 0 is meaningful. In conclusion, understanding the scales of measurement is vital for proper data analysis and interpretation. The nominal scale represents categories without numerical differences, the ordinal scale incorporates an order or ranking, the interval scale allows for numerical calculations and equal intervals, and the ratio scale adds a true 0 point to the measurement. By recognizing the scale of measurement, researchers can apply appropriate statistical techniques and draw valid conclusions from their data. If you're interested in delving deeper into this topic, we recommend exploring research methodology textbooks, statistical analysis guides, and scholarly articles. These resources will provide you with further insights and examples to enhance your understanding of scales of measurement. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this exploration of scales of measurement informative and useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.